Hey guys, I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how to apply Ghostshield Polyaspartic 745 to your countertop. The Polyaspartic 745 is a really good choice for concrete countertops, especially if you're anticipating that they're going to get a lot of abuse. It's a two-component system. This gives it a much higher abrasion resistance, much higher chemical resistance, and a much higher durability. As far as the aesthetics, the 745 is going to enhance the look of your concrete. It's going to darken it. It's going to make it look really rich. It's going to make it look wet. And it's also going to give it a high gloss. All the things that impregnating concrete sealers don't really give you a lot of protection against. I actually went ahead and already started to etch the whole surface of this concrete using the Ghostshield Eco Etch 1001. It's a non-acid based etching material. You don't have to neutralize it with ammonia or baking soda afterwards, and it has no odor. So the tools you're going to need for this project is a 1/4 inch nap roller. That's what we recommend. A good trick to do before you start using the rollers, actually delint it, get any fibers or hairs off of it. You can do that with a little bit of tape, put that around the roller. I've already done that to this roller here, so I've already delinted it, put some tape around it, got all that out of it. I got a 2.5 inch brush. I'm going to use that for cutting in some of the edges. I got a drill, mixing bit on the end of it. If you don't have a drill and a mixing bit, you might be able to do it with a paint stick or a stirrer. You can mix that right up. It'll go pretty smoothly as well. And I got a little mixing container. I also have some blue tape. I'm going to tape off the edges, and we're going to make the magic happen. We've got a little bit of profile started because we use the etching material to etch it. I have a surface grinder. I have a surface sander. I can use those as well to kind of get a little bit more profile. Profile is important because you want your coating to really stick to it and adhere to it. Don't have to worry if it's not fully smooth on the surface, if it's a little rough and coarse. Because you're using a 2-part polyaspartic system, it'll fill in some of those voids, it'll self-level, and you're gonna get a nice flat finish. It's gonna look good when you're done. All right, let's get to it. So that's it, we're done. Just to recap, we sanded the countertop, got rid of any imperfections that it might have had in it. We used a surface grinder, then we used an orbital palm sander, and then we went ahead and applied the Polyaspartic 745. That was a 2-part system. We mixed part A, part B, mixed it for about 3 or 4 minutes, let it dwell for about a minute. I cut in all the edges with the brush, and then we went ahead and used a 6-inch roller and we rolled it all on. I have to say, this was really easy to work with. I think you're going to enjoy using it. It's easy to apply. Again, the smell wasn't too bad. It went on really nice, covered nice. Gonna get some good protection. I mean, this thing really darkened up. If you look at the color enhancement that we got out of it versus how it looked before, it looks amazing. I think you guys are going to enjoy it.